This is the Japanese Street View building kit. This one is all done and built, but it's the cutest little thing. It has some miniature building blocks and it has a large sheet that guides you through the building process step by step, lets you know exactly what pieces are needed, what steps to go next, and where to put the stickers that come on the sticker sheet with it. It creates a really adorable little sushi takoyaki store, and there's so much detail within this store. And I love the fact that it opens like a book and there's more detail inside. You can look at this from any angle and any view, and there's so much detail to it, and it's the most adorable little thing. My adult daughter bought and built this one, and it took her several hours to put together everything piece by piece, but the result is absolutely worth it. Look at how much detail you see from every single angle of this tiny little building. And the fact that it opens up like a book like it does is just an extra little bonus. It has so much detail. It makes a great decor and conversation piece.